Okay, so one key point is when you take out drives out of laptops, if it has one drive, you gotta watch the polarity. So there's a little pin down there, but on the adapter there is, there isn't like a missing hole. So you gotta make sure you don't want to plug in the wrong way. You might damage it. So yeah, this means goes like just like that. So we're gonna match that polarity on the drive itself. Okay, pin out is down. I mean, missing hole in the bottom, I mean. I can see where we are. And that means just like this. OCD. And then just carefully, nice and sturdy it fits. So there's your replacement, as you can see. What a huge difference. Am I a genius or what? And that just goes right like that and screw it in. Alright, thanks for watching.